So June the 15th, Father's Day here in the UK. What better day to spend with family at the next round of the MG Car Club Speed Championship here at Three Sisters Race Circuit up in UK, Wigan. It's a lovely big open kart track, loads of space to throw the midget around, lots of corners, really suiting the handling. It's dry today, the weather forecast is good, so we're on for a good day. Target time today, around 87 seconds, 47 cars entered, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we should get 3 timed laps on this one. It's the usual routine then. Driver's briefing, scrutineering, practice, bacon sandwich, and then timed runs. Practice then, 88.48, chasing 87.14. So 2.5 to find. Conditions are good, a bit more slippier than I thought. I expected a bit more grip. So really nice tight corners. The challenge is going to be getting out of second so we can start pulling the car faster in third. But the length of the straights is just not enough to kind of give confidence getting into third. But we'll see how we go. Time runs to start now then. Let's see what we can do. It's the lunchtime break and the news is good. Chasing an 87.14 today. First timed lap was 86.15 and then the second time lap 85.83. Still another half a second then to the perfect score. So all out this afternoon. I think we're going to get 3 more timed laps. So the track is dry, it's warm, so I've got every chance today. Let's try. .54, getting even faster. Still think there's, well, perfect lap, another half a second in that. They're giving us another 6th and 7th lap. Do I go out? I think I just might. Last run, 85.13. Get in, job done. So with a time of 85.13, that's the fastest in the class and also a new class record. So a great day at Three Sisters, the weather holding out for us for a great day of motorsport. Big thank you to Longton and District Motor Club, put on a great show, really well supported, so a thanks to them. So on to the next one then, Prescott next. So until then, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the questions and comments. See you soon.